Hello dear students, in today's chemical reaction, we learn about the electrochemistry. In electrochemistry, transfer of chemical energy into electrical energies take place. But whenever we discuss about the electrochemistry, then in that the most important one is electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell. Construction and working of this electrochemical cell. This electrochemical cell is also known as galvanic cell. This cell was developed by the scientist Daniel, so hence it is also called as Daniel cell, and voltage is measured by using this cell. So many of them use the term word voltaic cell for the electrochemical cell. Now whenever we discuss about the electrochemical cell, then its construction also played a very important role. Here in two different beaker, beaker A and beaker B. Beaker A is filled with 1 molar zinc sulfate solution and beaker B is filled with the 1 molar copper sulfate solution, CuSO4, और यहाँ पे है 1 मोलार ZnSO4 solution. Metallic strip of zinc is placed in a zinc sulfate solution, whereas metallic strip of copper is placed in a copper sulfate solution. This is zinc strip and this one is copper strip. This copper and zinc strip are connected with each other via metallic wire. This electrochemical cell consists of two different components: anode, which is placed on the left hand side, and cathode, which is present on the right hand side. Anode is negatively charged, whereas cathode is a positively charged. Anode is negatively charged and cathode is positively charged. On anode, oxidation reaction is take place, and zinc on oxidation get converted into Zn2 plus aqueous plus 2 electron. So zinc get converted into Zn2 plus and release 2 electron. This 2 electron via metallic wire transfer to the copper strip. Via copper strip, this is enter into the copper sulfate solution. This copper sulfate solution consists of Cu2 plus and SO4 2 minus. This Cu2 plus on a cathode, reduction reaction is take place, and this Cu2 plus aqueous gain 2 electron and get converted into copper solid. As a result, on a copper strip, pure copper deposited on cathode, whereas here zinc get converted into Zn2 plus and Zn2 plus increases in the solution. Due to this reaction, due to this chemical reaction, concentration of Zn2 plus increases at cathode at anode, whereas concentration of Cu2 plus decreases at कैथोड. कैथोड पे Cu2 प्लस का अमाउंट डिक्रीज होगा और एनोड पे Zn2 प्लस का अमाउंट इंक्रीज होगा. Zn2 प्लस इंक्रीजेस और यहाँ पे Cu2 प्लस, concentration of Cu2 plus decreases. As a result, charges get imbalance in electrolyte solution. In order to balance the charge and complete the circuit, salt bridge is placed between two beakers. Salt bridge is placed between two beakers. Here this salt bridge, it is an inverted U shape containing tube. Bottom of that is plugged with the cotton wool or glass wool. Salt bridge consists of ammonium nitrate or potassium nitrate solution, KNO3 solution, mixed with agar. Now, what is the function of salt bridge? The main function of salt bridge is to complete the circuit, and maintain the electrolyte charge on both beaker. How it can able to maintain? As we know that concentration of Cu2 plus decreases in cathode, due to that positive charge decreases. So this salt bridge from its counter ion, पॉजिटिव चार्ज इंक्रीज होने की वजह से K प्लस NO3 माइनस में से कौन कैथोड की तरफ जाएगा? कैथोड पे कौन कम हो गया था? ओके पॉजिटिव, तो ये K प्लस देगा। जबकि एनोड पे Zn2 प्लस बढ़ा तो पॉजिटिव बढ़ गया, तो उसको बैलेंस करने के लिए इस एनोड पे साइड पे कौन किसको देगा? NO3 माइनस। K plus at cathode and NO3 minus at anode. So by doing this, it can help to complete the circuit as well as balance the charge. So salt bridge plays a very important role. Now here, as we know that movement of electron कहाँ से क्या हो रहा है? फ्रॉम मूवमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ से कहाँ हुआ? एनोड टू कैथोड, एनोड टू कैथोड के डायरेक्शन में हुआ है। देन मूवमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज ऑलवेज इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन। मूवमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, तो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट कौन सी डायरेक्शन में फ्लो करेगा? यस, कहाँ से कहाँ? कैथोड टू एनोड। वेरी गुड। So flow of electric current is take place in this direction, and it can be measured with the help of voltmeter or galvanometer. This is the construction of your galvanic cell. Due to this working process, weight of copper strip क्या होगा? on cathode copper deposit हो रहा था, तो weight of copper strip increases at cathode, whereas weight of zinc strip का weight क्या होगा? at anode. what happen at anode? weight of zinc strip decreases, and in this way current will flow from cathode to anode. The potential difference between cathode and anode is called as cell potential, and cell potential of electrochemical cell or galvanic cell is found to be 1.1 volt. Standard cell potential of this cell is found to be 1.1 volt. Overall reaction which is take place in this reaction, Zn solid plus Cu2 plus aqueous get converted into Zn2 plus aqueous plus Cu solid. In this way, electrochemical cell work. In the next video, we discuss about the cell potential, electrode potential, how to calculate cell potential, cell presentation, oxidizing and reducing agent, etc. Do enjoy, please subscribe this channel and enjoy your study with Dr. Nirav Singhal. Take very good care of yourself. Bye.